Nasty C and his gal celebrate 6 years together. Nasty C and his girlfriend Sammy spent a loved-up weekend together as they celebrated 6 years of love. With whipped cream, rose petals and champers, the couple depots had a good night. I remember being told that I was too young to know what love is. I remember being 15 and telling my mom I loved you and getting my ass whopped for it. It was all so worth it, babe, she wrote on Instagram. The rapper sings about his longtime girlfriend on his new album, Strings and Bling. He also posted a picture of himself with Sammy on social media and said while he couldn't find the words to tell her how much he loved her, he'd show her instead. God.